Hello, today we will guide you through how to log work time in Jira Software. We'll walk through the process of enabling time tracking on a task and then logging the time you've spent. This is helpful when you want better visibility into effort, progress, and reporting inside Jira. To begin, open your Jira project and go to the Projects list view. From there, click on Board to switch into the Board view, where you can work directly with your tasks in a more visual layout. Once the board loads, select the task you want to update. In this example, you'll click on the sample task to open its issue details. This is where you'll be able to check whether time tracking is already available, and if not, add it. Next, move to the top right area of the issue panel and click on Settings. This opens the options related to how the task fields are displayed. After that, choose Manage Fields. This section lets you control which fields are available on the issue, including the one needed for time logging. In the field search area, enter the word time. This helps you quickly locate the time tracking field without having to scroll through the full list of available fields. When you find time tracking, drag and drop it into the task fields area. This step makes the time logging option visible on the issue so it can actually be used. After placing the field in the task layout, click Save Changes. Be sure not to skip this because the field won't be added unless the changes are saved. Once that's done, click back to return to the task. Now that the time tracking field has been added, look for the area that says No Time Logged. Click on it to open the time logging panel. This is where you'll record the amount of work completed on the issue. Enter the time spent in the appropriate field. Make sure the value is formatted the way Jira expects, such as using hours or minutes as needed. This helps keep your time records accurate and consistent, especially if your team uses log time for planning or reporting. When you've finished entering the time, click Save to confirm the update. Jira will then record the work time on that issue, and the task will reflect the logged progress. And that's it. You've successfully added the time tracking field and logged work time in Jira Software.